If we jump about 3,000 years ahead, closer to our time, we can have a look at something that was created in the early 19th century, probably, but is made of a combination of expensive, high-status materials. So we start from the scabbard itself, which is made of velvet, covered with velvet, and has lovely floral patterns in gold. We can see what was actually inside it, a steel blade, which is extremely sharp, and has quite a few different patterns on its surface. Steel is an alloy of iron with a tiny bit of carbon, and there are different techniques to produce this kind of patterning. But I'd like to point out these little bolts of steel that run down this blood channel, which can be referred to as tears of the wounded sometimes, and they are there to create the impression that this sword is lethal. But they also make a nice rattling sound when you move the sword around. Now, I'm very interested in these objects because they show that for a very long time, humanity did combine fighting with a sense of beauty in its weapons.